A state media sensitization workshop on intensified mission Indradhanush 5.0 was held in Shillong today. During the workshop, media persons were briefed about ethical reporting and journalism and how to tackle the myths and misinformation in reporting. A keynote was also presented by the MD of NHM IMI 5.0. Intensified mission Indradhanush 5.0 is a part of routine immunization program in which special immunization sessions will be held to close the immunization gap and to catch up on gaps that might have emerged from COVID-19 pandemic. Intensified mission Indradhanush 5.0 has been planned across country to reach the unvaccinated and partially vaccinated children and pregnant women.
One of those easy things which is preventable for infant death is immunization, which we have seen works very well. It has been established across the world, across India, in various years, etc. And we don't want even to have any child left out. Some might ask, okay, we have done our target for the Northeast region for immunizations over 85%. We are close to 90% now. Why are we doing this? We don't want a single child to be left out or a single parent to lose their child because they could not get vaccinated.